Hello everyone, welcome to the course. Before we get to the main content, we prepared this short video for you on how it has been designed to help you understand how everything works. All the videos contain information about the different parts of the speaking exam and the criteria for how it is marked. In addition to the explanations, we've added some advice and tips for dealing with issues related to them, and some examples to show you how to do it. These examples are taken from volunteers on the podcast, and myself. 3 of me, in fact. That's right, there will be 3 Rorys in the course. I apologise in advance. I'm Rory Prime, and I will narrate and give advice and explanations. I'm Rory Band 5 to 6, and I will be used for lower level IELTS speaking examples. And I'm Rory Band 8 to 9. My job is to show what it's like to speak at a higher level in the IELTS speaking test. I'm also the best looking of the 3. Whatever. Before we start, it's important to thank everyone who contributed to the course to give models of the different levels. These volunteers were recorded doing the same speaking test to make comparisons easy and to keep everything consistent. I'll also be using the same test for my, our examples. Please remember, the volunteers are taking IELTS for different purposes. Just because they speak at different levels doesn't mean they are better or worse. Some universities only require a score of 6.5 for entry, while others need a band 8. Everyone is on their own journey. But clearly I am the best, and I'm the worst. Did either of you just listen to what I just said? Anyway, it's important to aim for the level that is right for you, to have realistic goals and to have a plan. Our course is designed to do just that. Similarly, the test created for this is just an example. It's highly likely you will be asked different questions in the exam itself, so please be ready for that. Remember, this is a course to help prepare students for IELTS using the publicly available criteria. We do not guarantee specific results, since this will be down to the amount of practice done by the participants. If you would like further advice or help preparing further, you're welcome to ask us on Instagram and all the other social media we're on. Can we get on with this now? I want to start speaking.